Okay, so welcome to the TownePlace by Marriott, and this is in Las Vegas Airport South location. And here you can see the kitchen area. They have a small fridge there. Oh no, I think that's not a fridge. That's the dishwasher. I'm surprised. And here's the big fridge, the regular fridge. And here you can see the area to put your clothes. Okay, and then this is the bathroom. You can see the setup here. And there's the hair dryer. And there's the amenities if you're interested in that. Okay, so you can see the amenities there for your hair, body wash, etc. Now let's take a look at the room itself. This is a two queen bed room. Okay, and here you can see more amenities that they put for you, along with the paper towels, microwave. You have a small stove, and then of course a flat screen TV. So you can see the setup here. And on my location, let's see how the view of Las Vegas looks like. Kind of far away because I'm in the airport area. You can't really see the strip unless you look way down there. You can see the different hotels. And there you go. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, Robert's Video Machine. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, comments, and any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.